Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 on Android Game Hub. While this beloved trucking simulation is a PC exclusive, you can still enjoy it on your Android device through the power of cloud gaming. This method streams the game directly to your phone or tablet, allowing you to drive across Europe from anywhere. It's a fantastic way to experience the game without needing a high-end computer nearby. To get started, you will need to choose a cloud gaming service that supports Euro Truck Simulator 2. Options like NVIDIA GeForce Now or Boosteroid are excellent choices, as they allow you to stream PC games. These platforms handle all the heavy processing on their powerful servers, sending only the video and audio to your device. Remember, a subscription is usually necessary to access their full library of titles. Once you have selected a service, download its official app from the Google Play Store onto your Android device. After installation, log in with your account and link your existing game library, if applicable. For optimal performance, ensure your internet connection provides at least 15 to 25 megabits per second download speed. Using a Bluetooth game controller is highly recommended for a more precise and enjoyable trucking experience. To enhance your gameplay, consider adjusting the in-game graphic settings to a lower preset. This can significantly improve streaming smoothness. Always play in an area with a strong, stable Wi-Fi or mobile data signal to minimize latency and interruptions. Wearing headphones will provide a more immersive audio experience, letting you hear every engine rumble. Finally, experiment with different control layouts to find what feels most comfortable for your long hauls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.